Hello everyone and welcome once again to Growing with the Gold. I'm Michael Beck, joined today by Ken Jensen with Guano Company, Budswel, this legacy fertilizer. And we're gonna check in on the last videos we did, but we're also gonna reapply this Budswel. So we're gonna mix up another 40 gallons of Budswel fertilizer to put on these plants. How much should we get into this 40 gallons?
So just a breakdown for you guys, a recap of what's going on. It's 1 to 2 tablespoons per 1 gallon of water, 1 to 2 cups per 5 gallons of water, and if you're doing 40 gallons, it's a whole gallon of Budswel.
That makes a really easy mix. 40 gallons, a whole gallon, pretty easy to mix up, know what you're getting into, and that's a full strength mix here.
Yeah, and we're gonna follow the 2 cups per 5 gallons, and that breaks down to 40 gallons here.
Perfect. So our reservoir is mostly full here. We're gonna dump in the gallon and add enough water to help agitate it and get this mixed up properly.
And if you guys are at home, make sure that you stop when you got some air in here and really mix it up. It says shake well. That really gets all the amendments mixed up so that you can get all the essence of Budswel.
So one good tip is once you've got everything in here and mixed, plug in your pump and just cycle it through for a couple minutes. You can really get the water turning over, get all of those vital nutrients and the microbiology well spread throughout your solution. So here we are checking in on these pansies. We watered these with Budswel 1 week ago today. The side closest to you here, that received just plain water. This side received the Budswel, and we're noticing some differences. What are you seeing, Sarah?
I'm seeing here that the flowers are pretty perky. The stalks are very upright, and it looks like they've got really vibrant colors, and all around just looking really healthy. Is that what you see, Coco? Yeah.
So one thing that really stood out to me is the color saturation. You can see here on the treated side, they seem to be a little more vibrant. The petals are more firm. And you know, it's just a little better saturation. You got less wilted flowers, a little better bloom ratio. So we're gonna treat one more time today. We're gonna give one more blast of Budswel, 1 week from the first, and then we'll check back in about 3 weeks to see how this really translates to long-term growth.
Sounds good to me.
Your bonus item today, we've got some dahlias, some that are just starting to pop, some that really aren't showing any growth yet. These are a little behind the season, so we're gonna give those a quick drink of Budswel today too. Thanks for checking in again with us on Growing with the Gold. We're looking back at our sunflowers that we treated 1 week ago today with Budswel. This is the side that was treated, this is the side that was untreated. You can really see a difference.
Yeah.
We're getting better growth.
Yes.
We've got thicker, hardier stalks.
Yep.
And it looks like we're starting to get a little bit better flower formation.
Yep.
You can actually see
Starting to
crowns over here.
Great results.
Great
Great
results.
results.
So the thing I'm taking away from these experiments thus far is that these fast-growing flowers are really showing the results more quickly. They're taking it up, they're showing these flower swells, stalks are bigger, where these slower growing pansies are showing some results, but we might take another couple weeks. So we'll see in a couple weeks what our results are.
Great. Thanks for having us, guys. It's amazing to see these results. I'm super thrilled to be a part of this.
Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time on Growing with the Gold.